How to fix Instagram refresh problem. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix the refresh feed problem is very easy and simple, and I'm gonna show you how to in this short video. So all what you have to do is go to the settings and then go to apps manager and then go here to apps and search here for Instagram. Click on Instagram and then go to the permissions and enable all those permissions right here, and then go back, click on force stop and then go to the storage. Now here click on clear data, and after that go back and restart your phone, then reopen Instagram, and I am sure that the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later. Thank you so much.